Hello students, today's topic is polynomials. We will discuss about the basic concept of the polynomials. What do you mean by polynomial? What is the meaning of the linear equation? What is the degree of equation and what is the various which kind of equation is called actually polynomial? Okay. So first of all, poly means many. Okay. So if many terms are connected in a function with the mathematical operators, then that kind of relation is called polynomials. Okay, so if you will see polynomial in x, then first of all x square plus 2x plus 3. So here x is a variable, 2 times of x is a variable and 3 is a constant, and in between these three terms there is a operator plus. Okay, so if any expression, either it is in x or it is in y, it is connected with the operators and forming a relation, then this kind of relation is called polynomials. Poly means there are many terms, more than one term. Okay, so now the next thing is I was saying that there are terms, so we will explain what is the meaning of term, and another thing is what is the meaning of constant and variable. Okay, that term I have also used. So constant, it is a kind of term which is not changing, which is having the fixed value, that is called constant. A term or a number which is having fixed value means that value is not changing with respect to time or with respect to any other relation, with not dependent on any other function. For example, if I am saying 2, it is always having value 2. If I am saying pi, it is always having value 22/7. So these terms are constant terms or constant numbers. Next one is variable. Those kind of functions whose value or numbers whose values are not constant are called variables. Okay, for example, if I am saying x, so in any relation the value of x may be 2. Okay, in any other question the value of x may be 3. So that kind of terms, that kind of functions which are not having fixed value, that is called variables. Okay, so I think you will be able to understand what is the meaning of constant and what is the meaning of variables. Okay, next thing is operators, algebraic operators. In mathematics, addition signs, subtraction sign, multiplication sign or division sign, these are called the mathematical operators. Any equation which is connected with these operators is forming polynomial. For example, if it is given x square, it may be 6 and another term may be 9x. Okay, so if we are connecting, if we are combining these terms with the help of these operators, okay, then the polynomial will form. Okay, we can write in such way: x square plus 6 plus 9x. Okay, now is it the standard form of polynomial? So I am using the term standard form. Standard form of polynomials. Standard form of polynomials. Okay, how we can write standard form of polynomial? So there is this condition: either the polynomial is written in ascending order of the variable, means power must be in ascending order, or it must be in descending order. Here the power is this term is called power. Here the power of the variable is 2, here the power of the variable is 1. So if we want to write this polynomial in standard form, then we will write in this manner. We will write either ascending order of the power, means increasing order of the power, means we will write 6 plus 9x plus x square. Okay, so this is the standard form of polynomial. Or we can write in this way: x square is the highest power, the next one is the x to the power 1, means descending order. So these two forms Either we can write in this manner or we can write in this manner. This is the standard form of the polynomial. Okay. So if the number of terms are there, those number of terms are connected with the mathematical operators. Mathematical operators are positive, negative, multiplication or division sign. Then that type of terms will form polynomial. Polynomial having standard form means how the standard form is written. Either we will write the relation in increasing order of the variable, or we will write the relation in decreasing order of the variable. Means power. Here the highest power of the polynomial is 2. So we can write highest power, then less than this, and then less than this. Here nothing is written means 1 is written, you can write x to the power 0, and x to the power 0 means 1. So this one is the decreasing order. So in general we can say ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form of polynomial in x. Generally we will write this is the standard form of the polynomial. Okay. Now next, it is not necessary that all the time the variable is having power 2. It may be 5, it may be 7, and on the basis of the power of variable we will judge the degree of the polynomial. Okay. So now first of all we will write terms of polynomial. What is the meaning of term? How many terms are there if it is asked? A polynomial is given in this way. Py means polynomial in y cube plus y square plus 7. Okay, in this way it is a standard form of polynomial in y. Now it is asked, if it is asked how many terms are there, so you will see this one is the first term, second term, third term. So total term 3. We will write in this way. This one is the first term, this one is the second term, and this one is the third term. If it is written in this manner, if in second case you can consider y cube plus y square into 7. Okay, here plus sign is not there or minus sign is not there, into sign is there. So you can write in this manner, y square plus y square by 7. Okay, so this one is the single term and this one is the single term. So total terms are 2. So the variable or constant separated by the mathematical operators are called term of the polynomial. Okay, we will move for the further topic. That is, polynomial may be in one variable, maybe in two variable. It is not necessary that all the time polynomial may be in one variable. Polynomial may be containing number of terms. Means in this way the equation may be given 5x square minus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. So here the two variables are there. It may be written in this way, x plus y equals to 6. Okay, so two variables are there. You can write this way also, x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so it is not necessary all the time that there is one variable is present. In any polynomial, more than one, more than two variables may present. Okay, so now next topic is degree of polynomial. How can we find degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial. So if we want to see the degree of the polynomial, then we will see first of all the polynomial will be in one variable. If other variable is given, then if other term is given, then that term will be constant. Then we can say what is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so if we want to determine the degree of any given polynomial, okay, then we will see first of all variable. So variable is x. Here variable is x. The value of x is not constant, it may change for the other functions. So here variable is x, 6 is the constant term. If you will see, if you want to find out the value of the degree of the polynomial, then we will see the power of the variable, highest power of the variable. If you will see here, we can write here 3. Okay, so if you will see, x is a variable, here power is 5, here power is 2, here power is 3. So highest power of the variable is 5. Highest power of variable, and here variable is x, that is 5. Okay, so degree of polynomial is 5. Remember, this 5 must be a positive number. Okay, it must not be any negative number, x to the power minus 5. Then we will not say that the degree is minus 5. Okay, degree is always a positive number. Okay, so in this way you can also determine x to the power 7 plus 1 upon x. Whenever the variable is having negative term, negative power, then that polynomial, that example is not of the polynomial. Means if it is asked x plus 1 upon x is equals to 0, is it polynomial? So x plus, you can write in this way, the power is 1, you will take it in numerator, so power will become minus 1. So here the power is negative, so this is not polynomial. Okay, so you can calculate the degree of polynomial in this way. We will move further on the basis of the degree. If the degree is 2, then it is quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then it is cubic polynomial. And if degree is 4, then it is biquadratic polynomial. Okay, so we will move further and we will discuss the remaining part of the topic. Thank you very much.